So we've done 144 miles. Quarter tank gone. So we've just parked up. Just want to show you guys that with £65 full tank, we've got halfway tank and it's 185.5 miles. So I'm guessing we'll probably reach around 350 miles to 400 miles by the end of the day. So that's how much you can get. You can possibly get 400 miles from a full tank from the Type R. 224.3 miles. Just gone past halfway now. Let's see if we can get 400 miles. I think we can. I believe we can. But so far that's what it's looking. We're on the way back now to the West Midlands. Okay, so we've now hit 250 miles. Still got a quarter tank. Well, not just a bit more than a quarter, but 250 miles. Let's get to 300. Okay, we stopped at a service station. We'll come back onto the road, and it's 305 miles. Petrol is hanging in there on the quarter. It's almost getting there, but as you guys can see, 305 miles so far from a full tank. Hopefully see if we can get to 350 miles before hitting the reserve lights, which I'd like to say I'd say it's impressive. It's more or less 70 miles per £10, so big difference in the motorway miles. Don't forget we have raced a few cars and we have gave it, so we could have done a lot better, but you know, that's what happens. So we come to the next day of driving the car, 350 miles, we're on reserve tank. I don't know if I was right about getting 400 miles now, but we'll see how far we can get before we really need to fill up. But it's just hit the reserve lights now, so whether we can get another 20-30 miles, we'll see what happens. But we're going strong with the Civic with the full tank. I just had to park up, so I want to give a big shout out to Haji Carney's, because their chicken fillet burger meal is on point. If you ever go down Spark Hill, Stratford Road, Birmingham, go to Haji Carney's. £3 only, and you get a drink as well. I'm currently driving at the moment still. If you look at the counter, 381 miles. Still on reserves, still driving, still going good. I don't know if we're going to break down or not, but I am going to the next Shell petrol station, and I'm hoping we'll probably get to 390 to 400 miles. 400 miles is the goal, but it just comes to show that we're not far from a shy of 400 miles on a full tank of £65 of petrol. Here it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I benefited from knowing that how much of a full tank of petrol you can get out of a Civic Type R. But if you like that, let me know. Drop a comment down below. I'll try it on any other cars that we've got back at the HQ. Otherwise, you know, I just thought it's a good thing to know. Alright, so 392 miles on reserve tanks. I felt like I can keep going, but you know what? You know, I can't believe this. I've just come to a Shell garage, right? And it's all sold out. Every single fuel is sold out. And I don't know what to do now, because I'm gonna run out of fuel and I'm stuck. How could you do this, Shell garage? So I'm just gonna have to go to another garage. I don't know how far it is. I hope I don't clank out on the middle of the road. But who knows, we might even reach 400 miles. So stay tuned, let's do this. May the Almighty bless all of you.